How to play Tempest in Diablo Immortal 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong by ignoring skill rotations or cooldowns. The surprising truth is that mastering Tempest in Diablo Immortal requires strategy, timing, and gear optimization. Start by equipping Tempest-specific gear that boosts lightning damage, attack speed, and cooldown reduction. Focus on items that enhance elemental damage for maximum efficiency. You won't believe how gear choice alone can drastically improve performance. Next, understand Tempest abilities. Rotate skills effectively. Use your primary attack to generate energy, then unleash high damage skills strategically. Positioning is critical. Stay mobile to avoid incoming damage while maximizing skill impact. Level up your skills according to your playstyle. Aggressive players can enhance damage output, while defensive players can reduce cooldowns for survival. Use artifacts and legendary gems to further boost power and versatility. Finally, practice combat rotations in different dungeons and arenas. Analyze enemy patterns and adjust timing to optimize damage. Most players miss this step, but mastery comes from experience and observation. In conclusion, playing Tempest in Diablo Immortal 2025 is about smart gear, skill rotation, and positioning. Follow these steps, practice regularly, and you'll dominate both PvE and PvP battles effectively.